NEC Article 700.12e states that the branch circuit for an emergency battery pack shall originate from the same area circuit used by the emergency loads served by the battery pack. The purpose of this code section is to ensure that the emergency battery pack is powered from the same electrical circuit that serves the emergency loads it is intended to power. This prevents a situation where the emergency loads are not powered during a power outage because the branch circuit for the battery pack isn't connected to the same circuit as the emergency loads. Now consider a scenario where you've powered a stairwell emergency battery pack from existing exit sign or battery pack combo units located on the opposite side of the stairwell corridor exit doors. The code inspector argues that the area of the emergency loads is solely the stairwell, whereas you consider it to be the corridor and stairs. The NEC doesn't specifically define the term area in Article 700. However, the term area is defined in Article 100 as the space within a building enclosed by floor, partitions, and ceilings, but not including open porticos, balconies, breezeways, or carports. Based on this definition, a reasonable argument can be made that the area of the emergency loads includes both the corridor and the stairs, as they are both enclosed by the same floor, partitions, and ceilings. Additionally, the NEC doesn't specifically prohibit the branch circuit for the emergency battery pack from running through a different part of the area than the emergency loads. As long as the branch circuit originates from the same area circuit used by the emergency loads, the installation is generally considered in compliance with the code. Therefore, based on the NEC definition of area and the fact that the branch circuit for the emergency battery pack originates from the same area circuit used by the emergency loads, there is a strong argument for code compliance. However, it's important to remember that code interpretations can vary from one jurisdiction to another. It is always best to consult with the local code inspector to get the specific interpretation of the code. The key takeaway is understanding the intent of Article 700.12e, which is to ensure a reliable power source for emergency loads during an outage. If the chosen configuration achieves this goal and aligns with a reasonable interpretation of area, a strong case can be made for compliance, even if it differs from the inspector's initial assessment. It's beneficial to present a well-reasoned explanation based on the code definitions and the practical functionality of the system.